Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the December 2025 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag to share with you all today. I have a coupon code for the dollar bead box. It's THJ2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up, or $2 off of an order from their online shop. But you can only have access to their online shop if you're a subscriber to the dollar bead box, or you can buy an annual membership to their shop. It's $35 a year, and that would give you access to their shop, but you wouldn't get the box or the bag. So I'm going to open it up here and take a peek. Dollar bead bag is always on top with 8 strands of fire polish beads, 4 strands of 3mm, and 4 strands of 4mm, and they're always just really beautiful. And then this is the paper that tells you everything that's in the box. Fill your designs with calm, cool beauty of winter. This month's palette blends soft and deep blues with elegant touches of gray, gold, and silver, perfect for everything from frosty-inspired bracelets to sophisticated evening pieces. And then on the back it has everything that's in the box. All kinds of pretty blues in there. So hold on, I'll get everything sorted out now. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and I'm starting with the dollar bead bag. And these are the 3mm fire polish beads, and as usual, I'm going to have to guess about the colors. There's 50 beads on each strand. You get 50 3mm fire polish beads and 50 4mm fire polish beads on each strand. I think it says winter blue or matte aqua. I guess that would be winter blue. It's really pretty. And then this is either blue opal vitriol or opaque blue half silver. I think this would be the opaque blue half silver. It's really pretty. And then I think this is the one they're calling Ocean Moss. Really pretty. And then I think this is it says cerulean iris or matte cerulean iris. I think this would be the matte because it appears to be matte to me. Really, really pretty. And then in the 4mm fire polish beads, it says cobalt or opaque cobalt. A beautiful color of blue. And then I think this is it says Frost Sea or Sea Grove. And I have no idea which this would be. They're really pretty. Looks a lot like this 3mm one here. Not exactly the same, but it's similar. And then I think this would be the matte rainbow blue iris. And then last in the fire polish beads, I believe this is Crystal Electric Blue. It's really pretty. And then in the dollar bead box, in the strands, first are 15 check glass bicones. They're 8 millimeters and the color is blue/gray. It's really pretty. And then next are some 20 pieces 6 millimeter check fire polish beads. It's either sapphire copper lined or sapphire copper lined Maria. And I don't know which is which, but they're just beautiful. It's really, really pretty. And then next, they're 3 by 5 millimeter check glass pinch beads. And they're either, I should have counted these because I could tell you which, you count them real quick so I'll know which color it is. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 35. So these are the 3 by 5 millimeter check glass pinch beads, blue with bronze. Those are really cool. I love the pinch beads. They got 3 little flat sides. Really neat shape. And then next are some 4 millimeter check glass pearls. The color is navy, and there's 40 pieces of these. It's really pretty. And then I have another strand of pinch beads, 3 by 5 millimeter check glass pinch beads. There's 30 of these, and the color is light blue with white. Pretty. And then last in the strands are 25 3 by 5 millimeter check glass gem cut rondelle beads. And the color is light blue. And then in the additional items, first I have 2 12 by 15 millimeter check glass pillow beads. The color is acid etched electric blue AB. These are just really cool. I love it. I love these acid etched beads. They're really neat. And then next are 6 pieces 4 by 6 millimeter Chinese star cut rectangles. The color is royal blue AB. That's what those are like. They're really cool shape. And then next are 2 more pillow beads. These are 12 by 15 millimeters, just like the others, and the color is white with light blue. Really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces 11 by 16 millimeter check glass heart leaf beads. The color is opaque blue with dark pink. They're really cool. And then next are four 10 millimeter check glass tabular square beads. The color is blue with travertine. They're really pretty. Next are two 14 millimeter check glass button beads. The color is blue 2 times AB. You all know I'm going to love that because I always love everything sparkly and shiny and anything AB. And this is 2 times AB, so these are really cool. So pretty. And then next are some check glass spike beads. There are 4 of these. They're 17 millimeters, and the color is Jet AB. Really cool little spike beads. And then next are 2 pieces check glass flower oval beads. They're 16 by 21 millimeters, and the color is sapphire with silver wash. I think that one's got a blocked hole. It might just be my pen is very thick. But that's what they look like. Really, really pretty. That flower in there. And then next are 2 pieces Chinese laser etched round beads. They're 8 millimeters, and the color is indigo. They're really pretty. Chinese laser etched round beads. And then next are 2 check glass acid etched bicones. They're 12 millimeters, and the color is black with blue. They're really cool. Really neat. And then next are 2 jet glass butterflies. They're 12 by 14 millimeter, and the color is blue opal iris with silver wash. Cute little butterflies. They're really pretty. And then last are two check glass buttons. They're 6 by 14 millimeters and they're gray with gold. They're really pretty. To the back. Little shank button. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the December 2025 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. Some really beautiful beads. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.